This is its natural state. It's just effortless. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Isee Hair. They sent me over this 5x5 closure wig. So I'm going to show you guys how I pluck my closure. So I start by sectioning off the front part of the hairline. I don't start with the plucking right in the front. I save that for last. I have these angled tweezers, and then I'm going to spray the hairline with water. And then I'm just going to go in on one side of the closure. And I'm just literally gonna pluck in one section and then skip the next one and then pluck the next section and then skip the next one. That's probably the easiest way I could explain plucking. You just want to leave a little hair in between each section you pluck in. You don't want to pluck with your plucking sections right next to each other, or you're just literally gonna bald the frontal. You want to leave a little bit of space in between the sections that you pluck. I do have a more in-depth tutorial on my channel on how I pluck, but this is just kind of an update, and this is how I pluck my closures, because the previous one was me plucking the frontal, but I will be sure to leave that link down below. But after you get one section done, you just part the hairline forward again, and then you go back. And you do it as far back as you want, just repeating that. You just start wherever you want and you pluck and then skip. If you really look at the hairline, you will be able to see the little spaces in between the sections of hair. That's where I'm plucking. So that's what I mean by, just plucking a section and skipping a section. So after I'm done with going back, I brush all the hair back, and then this is where I start doing the front section, and I slightly pluck the front section. I spray a little bit of water on there, and I just start plucking just very, very lightly on the front, because I don't like the over plucked look. So I don't like to pluck a lot on the front hairline, because I want to leave enough for the edges and everything, and it's easy to over pluck. So that's why I pluck the front part of the closure last. This has helped me tremendously to not over pluck. So I would recommend doing this if you have a bad habit of over plucking on accident. And as you see, it looks really good and natural. I love how this closure turned out looking. And then now I'm just going to show you guys quickly my installation process. I am not using the Even Wonder Bond spray that I always use. This time I'm just going to use the Bold Hold Active Glue. And I only did 2 layers of it. And yeah, you just wait for the glue to be clear in between, and then you lay it on over it. And yeah, but I'll just stop talking and let you guys watch the video, and then you guys can wait till the end to hear my thoughts on the hair and see the end result. Alright guys, so here's how the hair looks all air dried. I didn't put anything on it, but I did just wet it, brush it, and let it air dry. This is what it's giving. I added baby hairs. I like, when it comes to closures, I feel like I have to have edges, so that's just a personal preference. But this hair is really cute, big, just how I like it. 6 inches, stop right here, goes all the way right here, so it is true to length. And yeah, it's just really cute. This is its natural state. It's just effortless. Really cute. I love it. Thank you to Isee Hair for sending this out to me. 5x5 HD-less closure, 26 inches Waterwave. Everything will be linked down below. And yeah, be sure to check the description box. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.